What if I told you that the secret to less stress, stronger immunity, and more energy is not some fancy supplement from abroad, but something that's been in our grandmother's kitchen for centuries? Yes, I'm talking about our own Ayurvedic superfoods. Today, modern science is studying these ancient foods and calling them nutraceuticals, foods that work like natural medicine. And in this video, I'll show you the real science behind three of the best ones: Ashwagandha, Amla, and Moringa. By the end, you will know exactly how to use them, who should be careful, and the mistakes to avoid. So, what's a nutraceutical? It's simple. It means food that also works like medicine. For example, haldi doodh. We drink it for comfort and also when we catch a cold. That's the idea. Something you eat that also helps your body heal. Now let's talk about the first one, Ashwagandha. Ashwagandha is everywhere these days, but what does it actually do? In Ayurveda, it's called an adaptogen, which means it helps your body handle stress better. When you feel tired, restless, or overwhelmed, that's often because your cortisol, the stress hormone, is high. Ashwagandha can help reduce cortisol, so you feel calmer and more balanced. It can also help you focus and think clearly, support muscle strength and recovery, and improve sleep quality. You can take it as a capsule. Start with 300 to 500 mg, or mix half a teaspoon of ashwagandha powder in warm milk with a little honey before bed. The common mistake is taking too much in the beginning. Start small. Be careful if you are pregnant, have thyroid, or autoimmune issue. Always ask your doctor first. Have you ever tried ashwagandha? Did it help you? Tell me in the comments. Next is a fruit we all know, amla or Indian gooseberry. It's one of the best natural sources for vitamin C. In fact, one amla has as much vitamin C as 20 oranges. That's why it's great for strong immunity, better digestion, glowing skin, and healthy hair and balanced blood sugar. Eat one fresh amla daily if you can handle the sour taste, or drink amla juice with water. You can also have amla murabba or pickle, but go easy on the sugar or salt. Okay, we have talked about ashwagandha for stress and amla for immunity. If you are enjoying this so far, please hit the like button. It really helps make more videos like this. Now, let's talk about the third one, the miracle tree. You may know Moringa as the drumstick tree, and its leaves are super powerful. They are packed with nutrients. That's why it's called the miracle tree. Just look at this: more vitamin A than carrots, more calcium than milk, more potassium than bananas, and more protein than yogurt. So, if you often feel weak, tired, or your diet isn't very balanced, Moringa can really help. It gives natural energy without caffeine crash, reduces inflammation, and supports heart health and blood pressure. Use Moringa powder. Add 1 teaspoon to smoothies, dal, soup, or even chapati dough. Don't mix it with just water. It tastes too green. Again, don't take too much. It can upset your stomach. Start with half a teaspoon. You can also combine amla and ashwagandha for even better results. Mix equal parts of both powders. Store in a jar and take half a teaspoon with warm water in the morning. Amla gives you energy and vitamin C, and ashwagandha helps manage stress. It's a simple daily tonic used in Ayurveda for general health. What combinations do you use at home? Share them in the comments. I would love to hear. Let's quickly recap. Ashwagandha reduces stress and helps with sleep. Amla boosts immunity and digestion. Moringa gives you energy and full nutrition. These work best when you also eat well, move your body, and rest properly. Which of these three are you most excited to try? Or are you already using one? Tell me in the comments. I love reading your stories. If you learned something new, please like this video. It's free for you but helps me a lot. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more easy, honest health tips every week. Thanks for watching. Stay healthy and I'll see you in the next one.